XTIA Stock Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. XTI Aerospace stock doesn't look good. You know, I'm gonna be straight up blunt. 4% down for Friday. Last week performance combined end of week report was 7% down. I have yet to see a bullish weekly candle that was not starting November, you know. The last one was like in September, you know, so it's been like a bad couple of last weeks. And I was short on it, and guess what's happening right now? This video was made quite a while back, like in December, beginning of December, somewhere there. Let me show you. Right, so this video was made 2 weeks ago. Not even December.
Stock analysis, fish market, man. It's not like I'm gonna short or anything. No, just that's it. Like for me, that's the fact.
And guess where it's heading? You know, so I just want to see this thing deliver. If you want to learn the strategy, there is a free newsletter. First link in the description. It's free, daily, and that's about it. If you have any comments, comment them down below.